The crop tool is one of those tools that you'll probably use quite a bit. I like to access mine quickly by using the keyboard shortcut R. You may or may not see an overlay, and I have like a tic-tac-toe rule of thirds grid here. This is helpful for composition. If you prefer not to see it or you want to hide it at times, you can change that setting down in the bottom left. I like to keep mine set to always. You can also change the overlay that you see there. It's up in the settings under Crop Guide Overlay. But you can also click the O key to cycle through if you have an image that works better with a different type of overlay. You can select the aspect ratio from the drop-down, or you can even enter your own. And keep in mind that this is a ratio setting and not pixel settings. Or if you just want to click on that little icon there and draw, you can actually create your crop by just doing it manually like that. This little lock here allows you to lock that ratio. Unlocked, you can move anything around however you like. By locking it, when you move any of the sides, it's just going to keep that ratio locked in. If you have an image with some pretty straight lines in it, you can click the auto button in the angle section, and that's going to read the image and align it as best as it can. Or you can use the sliders, or you could even click and drag a straight line if you had one, which I don't really have here, and it will angle that image with that line. I'll go ahead and reset everything here, and now I'm going to talk about the Constrain to Image checkbox. By checking this box here, if you were to make changes, you're not really going to see anything. You won't really understand what this box does. So I'm going to reset that and make sure that box is unchecked. This box is tied to the lens correction panel or any kind of distortion that you would add in your image. If I were to slide the distortion slider to the right and start to see white space, if I wanted to crop that out automatically inside of the lens correction panel, I would click on this Constrain Crop. And as I did that, the Constrain to Image box inside of the crop tool automatically checks itself. Now if I go back up to my crop with that box checked, if I rotate the image around, it's making sure to stay inside of that image only, and it doesn't get any of that white space in the photo. If I uncheck the box, however, I can rotate it and that white area is going to show through. So this is a good box to have checked if you know you've done any changes inside of the lens correction panel.